Hello guys, welcome to CS Tech Solution. Today's is learning UI/UX design. Today's is learn as I use the scale and the proportions in the mockups. First, what are scales and the proportions? Scale is a size of and elements is compared to the other elements in a designs, and the proportions is a relationship between a size of the different element and ensuring they look balanced and as a visual appearance, and the together at the scales and the proportions is help create a mockups that is clear, organized and easy to use. And the example shopping applications is the product image is larger than the product description, and whilst as the buy now buttons is larger and enough to be easily to notify and as a tabbed, and show the figures in the shopping applications, and the product image is larger than the product descriptions and as a buy now button to show in a different and the attractive colors. Why are the scales and the proportions is important as a create a balance and the attractive layouts, highlight important elements as improve readabilities and make navigations easier, and provide a better users experience. How to use a scales and the proportions in the mockups? First, as a use the appropriate size is a make the important element is a larger and as a less important element is a smaller. Second is a keep element is balanced as a ensure the buttons image and the text is look proportional to each others. Third is a maintain a consistency is use the similar size for similar elements and throughout the design. Fourth is a priorities importance content as increase the size of a key element is headings and the product image or as a primaries buttons. Fifth is a design for as a different screen as a scales element is properly for mobiles, tablet and the desktop devices. Other topic is use the unities and varieties in the mockups. First, what is the unities and the varieties? Unities is a design principle that is make all the element in the mockups is look as a connected and as a consistent, and the varieties is use the different color shapes image or as a layout to make a designs as a interesting and as a engaging. Good mockups is balance unities and varieties, and so it feel the both as organized and visual appealing. Example, shopping applications as all the buttons is use same style as a unity, and whilst a product image and the categories colors are as a different is a varieties, and this image to show as a varieties to change different colors, and unities is show as all the page and the colors as the same, so the buttons colors and is a unity. And why are the unities and the varieties is the important is a create a consistent and as a professional design is make the interface is more attractive, as improve our readabilities and navigations and keep the user as interested without causing confusions, and enhance the overall users in experience. After, as how to create a unities in a mockups, first is use the consistent colors throughout the designs, and use the same font for as a similar text element, and third is keep the button styles is consistent, and fourth align the element is properly using the breed, sorry, as a grid. And fifth is maintain a consistent spacings between the elements. And as an example is a shopping application as a unities is same font style, same button design, same colors, themes, and the consistent as a spacing. And how to create a varieties in the mockups. First, as use the different image or icons to represent the content. And second is add the accent colors or as a highlight the important element. Third is use the different font size for headings and as a body text. Fourth is a mix shapes and a layout is whilst as a keeping designs as balance. Fifth is use the insulations or as a graphics is where as a appropriate. Examples of shopping application in the variety as a different product image, as a different categories icons, and the promotionals banners with different colors and the various product cards. Thank you guys to watch the videos. Please subscribe the channel, on the notification and bell icon.